Imagine a career where data becomes your currency, and every insight you uncover holds the potential to transform businesses and earn you six figures. Did you know that the demand for data analysts has skyrocketed by over 30% in the last 5 years? By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how to leverage this growing field to build a profitable career. Whether you're just starting out or looking to maximize your earnings, these proven strategies will guide you every step of the way. As a financial expert with years of experience, I'm here to help you turn data skills into serious money. Many aspiring data analysts face the same frustrations: unclear career paths, difficulty landing high-paying jobs, and confusion about where to start learning. Perhaps you've spent hours scrolling job boards, only to feel overwhelmed by the qualifications required. Or maybe you've tried free online courses but still lack confidence in your skills. You're not alone. These challenges are common, but they're also solvable. Picture this: a recent graduate landing a data analyst role in tech and earning $80,000 within their first year. That could be you. Stay tuned because I'll break down the exact steps to get there. The skills you need to succeed as a data analyst. To excel as a data analyst, you need a solid foundation in both technical and soft skills. Start with tools like Excel for data manipulation, SQL for database querying, and Python or R for advanced analysis. These are the building blocks of your career. For instance, SQL is used by nearly every company to manage and analyze data. By mastering it, you're opening the door to endless opportunities. But don't stop there. Communication skills are equally critical. Being able to present data insights in a clear and compelling way can set you apart. Imagine being in a meeting where your analysis influences a multimillion-dollar decision. That's the power of effective storytelling with data. Practical tip: start small. Take free or affordable courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Dedicate just 1 hour a day to practice, and within months, you'll notice significant progress. The benefit? You'll feel more confident and be ready to tackle real-world projects. Companies value practical experience, and even personal projects can showcase your skills. Entry-level opportunities for aspiring data analysts. If you're new to this field, internships and entry-level roles are your gateway. These positions provide hands-on experience, which is invaluable. Platforms like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and AngelList are treasure troves of opportunities. But don't just apply randomly. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight relevant skills. Even if you're self-taught, emphasize projects where you've analyzed data and drawn actionable conclusions. Consider creating a portfolio of projects. For example, analyze public data sets, perhaps the impact of weather on sales or trends in stock prices. Publish these on platforms like GitHub or LinkedIn to demonstrate your expertise. Employers love seeing proof of your abilities. By taking this step, you're not just applying for jobs, you're showcasing your value. Diversifying your income streams as a data analyst. Being a data analyst doesn't mean sticking to a 9-to-5 job. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopDal allow you to work on diverse projects globally. For example, you could help small businesses optimize their operations by analyzing sales data. Another option is creating and selling templates or dashboards tailored for specific industries. This can generate a passive income stream. Teaching is another lucrative avenue. If you're confident in your skills, create online courses or host webinars. Imagine earning $1,000 a month by teaching others what you already know. The benefit? You're building additional income while solidifying your expertise. Start small by sharing tutorials on social media, and as your audience grows, so will your earnings. Industries where data analysts thrive. Data analysts are needed everywhere, but some industries pay significantly more. Finance, healthcare, and tech lead the pack, offering salaries that can exceed $100,000 annually. Within tech, roles in artificial intelligence and machine learning are especially lucrative. But don't overlook niche areas like sports analytics or environmental data, where unique expertise is highly valued. Tailor your skills to match industry needs. For example, in finance, focus on predictive analytics to forecast market trends. In healthcare, learn to interpret patient data for better outcomes. These specializations not only make you more marketable, but also increase your earning potential. How to climb the career ladder and increase your earnings. Advancing in this field requires strategic planning. After gaining some experience, aim for senior analyst roles or pivot to data science, where salaries are even higher. Certifications like Google Data Analytics, AWS Certified Data Analytics, or Tableau Specialist can significantly boost your credibility. Each certification is an investment in your future. Networking also plays a crucial role. Attend industry events, join data-focused LinkedIn groups, and connect with professionals who can mentor you. For example, one data analyst transitioned to a managerial role after a LinkedIn connection recommended them for a position. Building relationships can open doors you didn't know existed. Mistakes to avoid when building a data analysis career. One common mistake is focusing solely on technical skills while neglecting soft skills. Remember, the ability to communicate insights is just as important as the analysis itself. Another pitfall is relying on outdated tools. Stay updated with industry trends by joining forums and attending workshops. Lastly, avoid procrastination. Too often, people wait until they feel ready to start applying for jobs or taking on projects. Start now. Even small steps like completing a mini course or joining a data community can make a big difference. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity to invest in your future. Data analysis is not just a career, it's a gateway to financial independence and personal growth. Remember, success doesn't come from waiting for the perfect moment. It's about taking action, even when you're unsure. Think of the countless opportunities waiting for you once you step out of your comfort zone. As the saying goes, opportunities don't happen. You create them. Start creating yours today. If these strategies resonate with you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share in the comments which step you'll take first. And don't stop here. Check out the description or the first pinned comment for exclusive links and resources to accelerate your journey. Since you've made it this far, YouTube has chosen the perfect video for you to watch next. It's on screen now, ready to guide you to your next financial breakthrough. Don't miss it.